A woman wants to escape her past and start a new life. She needs not just justice from the court, but hope. The judge hears her plea.
All right, good morning, ma'am. This is the city of Detroit versus Arnitra Owens, case number SP 11003448, counts 1 and counts 2. All right, Ms. Owens, do you have license and insurance and registration?
Yes, the car that's in question, the vehicle that's in question, sir, I don't have that vehicle anymore.
Well, let's make it simple for you. You got a charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I can do two things for you. Either offer you allowing the unlicensed driver to drive, please straight up to that. I'll fine you $240. I'll dismiss the case immediately upon payment of that $240, and I'll dismiss the other 2 counts. Or I can set a trial date up for you, and we can work it out on that day. I don't see you doing any worse at trial. You may do better. Maybe get it all dismissed, or you can speak to Ms. Perkins more, who can help advise you if you like.
Okay.
She was ready to pay the fine, but the judge sensed something wasn't right.
Your Honor, Ms. Owens says that she's going to plead guilty because she's got a job offer, and even though it was her husband who allowed somebody to drive, she's going to do it because she wants to get going so that she can get this off her record.
Does she have I don't see why this would mess up her record.
That's right. If she didn't have the insurance or the registration, but I told her she would have to indicate through a plea that she knew or allowed the unlicensed person to drive, and she cannot make a factual basis, but she says she's willing to make a factual basis so she can get her job.
All right, you can bring her back in. I'll bring her back in. I'll allow her to pay the reinstatement fees up front if she needs to get a driver's license.
Yeah, tell her that's fine.
Good. All right, we're back on the record with Mrs. Nitra Owens. Ma'am, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with the attorney in the breakout room. And I understand you want to take responsibility. First of all, I don't know why this would mess up you getting a job. If you're looking to get a driver's license, they're not going to allow you to pay the reinstatement fees up front, and then you can go get a driver's license. In this case, it'll just be pending. It's not, I can't see an employer not letting you get a job for some license, some driving things. But be that as it may, you have to make a factual basis, and part of that factual basis is knowing that you allow somebody to drive the vehicle without a driver's license. I mean, as simple as that. That's why I offered you the opportunity to take this to trial, because on the other side of that coin, it's almost I don't know how officer, unless there's more facts and circumstances, or you told them, I don't know how they would prove that you knew that you allowed somebody to drive. But that's a question for a trial or for a hearing. I can give you that hearing date, but it's up to you. What do you want to do?
Now she reveals her true story.
Okay, sir. I would like to take the lesser. I would like to go ahead and get a date, but I'm not in Michigan anymore. I had to get away from my husband. So I'm separated from him. I'm in New York at the moment. And the job sir.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Okay, and the job that I was referring to is actually a driving school bus.
Yes. So will they not allow you to drive a school bus? If you just need a driver's license, is that correct?
Yes, I need it clear. That's why I want to go ahead and take care of it today because I
So
wanted it clear.
what I'm offering you is, I'm offering you the opportunity to pay the reinstatement fees. That's what's stopping you from getting a license, is those $45 reinstatement fees. So you have 3 of them. That'll be 130 some odd dollars. What is that? 45, 40, 90. That'll be $135. If you pay that $135, we can just give you another trial date. The trial date, that'll be January 27th, and then you come back and deal with the 3 tickets. I would bring that old copy of the insurance that you had at that time. Your attorney says that they can't find the registration, but then you'll bring a valid driver's license, and I'm sure that'll go a long way with the city attorney here in finding some kind of resolution to the case. So unless you, otherwise, you just plead guilty to it and pay the money. But
no, sir, I would like to take the first offer. The 100, right. Yep.
So let's do this. Let's give you a trial date for January the 27th, 2022 at 9 a.m. That way you bring the information in. Let's also allow you to pay reinstatement fee up front. And you should be able to do that like a little bit on Ms. Nash here can put that in the system. You should be able to do that today. You do that sooner rather than later. It takes a couple of days to get to the Secretary of State. That'll automatically generate some clearances for you, and then you can get a driver's license. And then we'll put all these 3 cases on a trial docket for January 27th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Okay, sir.
That'll work?
That'll work. Thank you so much.
All right, too bad we lost you to New York, but I hope you are doing well there, and I look forward to seeing you back on January 27th, 2022. Good luck to you on that new job, and also, if you have any other issues, then you can feel free to call our courtroom, and we'll see if we can accommodate you.
All right, thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
All right, have a great day, ma'am. See you back.
All right, you too.
The judge used the law to help rebuild a woman's life. It's a reminder that there is always room for compassion in the courtroom. Thanks for watching.